Oh, our bird has just flown into the window and smashed it. It is now sitting on top of the fireplace. It wants to be friends with us.
Mummy, please calm down. You're embarrassing us in front of our new winged friend. I really think you should offer it a drink as it must be tired from the excitement of breaking our window.
Yes, my snuggle bear, you are right. I am so sorry. I will fetch the refreshments straight away.
Wow, that is much better. It really does like strawberry milkshake. You even gave it a metal straw, as plastic straws are bad for the environment and your mental health.
Sweetie, I love you a lot. I have to ensure that the world is a good place for you to grow up in. This bird will now guide you on your path to salvation. Remember that you can't trust everyone and people will hurt you if they get the opportunity. You must remain well groomed and clean.
Mummy, it is okay. No harm shall come to me as I believe in God. He lives in the sky and there is no physical evidence to show he actually exists, which makes his existence a more compelling argument.
Yes, honey bunny, God will solve all your problems. You're not a failure. The system is. The system couldn't even ensure the safety of this defenseless bird which broke our window. The window won't be cheap to replace. We will have to sell our shiny things.
I will get a job to keep a roof over our head, Mummy. I will not let any harm come to you in these cold winter months.
Your bravery sent a chill down my nipples. I am so proud of the man you are becoming. One day we will look back at our times together and laugh. I will love you forever, my ray of sunshine.
I am going to call the police to get the bird arrested for trespassing. Now it has guided us to finding a deeper connection with one another. May all our times together be as happy as this. My fingers are tingling. Love you.